Hey guys, this is Carla Villana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, trabaho pa rin tayo. Work from home, this time for 24 oras as Chika Minute. Sa ngalan ni Iya Arellano. Ako po si Carla Villana. So, habang naka-leave si Iya, there will be 2 days for now na ako ang mag-Chika Minute for 24 oras. So, nakasetup na kami dito sa bahay. Thankfully, may isang staff from 24 oras na tumulong sa akin sa pag-setup dito bilang equipment nilang gagamitin. So, wish me luck guys. Kinakabahan ako super kasi live national TV ito. News ito. Hindi to basta-basta, diba? So, wish me luck. And yeah, I did my own makeup today. Very natural lang tayo. Simple lang ang top. Mamaya kakalasin ko yung hair. Mamaya na kasi mabagsak yan eh. It's already almost mga 6:15 PM. So, medyo standby na kami in a bit. So, wish me luck, guys. So, we are done for the day and we are done for the week. Kamusta naman yung extra si Bob? Diba na Bob na? Paano? Nagpupumilit. Nag-iingay. Nag-iingay. Tahol ng tahol. Gusto magpakita sa camera, which is weird because normally conscious yan. But yeah, that ends today's Chika Minute. Tonight's Chika Minute. Wala, thank God, walang naging technical difficulties this time around. Walang naging problema sa audio, sa connection, sa video, sa queuing, sa lines, anything. So, buti na lang. Thank goodness. So, yeah, let's wait and see kung magkaroon po ulit ng chance or opportunity na mag-Chika Minute ulit. Why not? I would love that. So, yeah, medyo mas less yung kaba today. Pero medyo nagkaroon pa rin ako ng headache. Siguro sa kaba lang yun. Pero okay naman. So, yun lang. Okay na tayo for today. So, kamusta naman ang aking Chika Minute? Nagkaroon ng technical difficulties towards the end. Pero thank God may kasama akong isang staff ng 24 oras. Hindi ko kakayanin yun, promise. Kung ako lang yung mag-isa. But anyway, aaminin ko sumakit yung aking ulo. Sumakit yung ulo ko kasi nakakakaba siya, nakaka-stress siya because it's live, diba, on national TV. It's the news. And matagal na akong hindi nakapag-Chika Minute. But thank goodness God is good. Itawid. Thank you so much to 24 oras, to Sir Tonyo and Sir Jojo, Miss Tere, Miss Grace, everybody else. Dahil nakapag 24 oras ako. God is good. Wala namang gaano maging problema. So, yun lang. Pasensya na hindi ako masyado nakapag-cover, guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado. But yeah, sana na-enjoy nyo yung episode na to. I hope that this isn't the last time na makapag-Chika Minute ako. And that's it guys. Always be safe. Nagtataasan ngayon ng kaso ng COVID-19. Please, alam ko marami po sa atin ang back to work na, pero mag-iingat pa rin po tayo. Please don't ever remove your face masks unless nga kailangan lang po talaga. Practice physical distancing pa rin po. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and water or at least sanitize. Mag-iingat po palagi kasi hindi pa rin po bumababa ang cases ng COVID-19. So, thanks again for watching me in today's episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Carla Abellana, and follow me on Instagram, Carla Angeli. Thanks guys, hugs and kisses!